Welcome. My name is Albert. Thank you for joining me today. And today, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to gain respect from a woman that you are dealing with. Okay. So, if you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Because on this channel, I teach you guys how to become better men and how to become better with women. Okay. So, here's the thing. There are 5 things that you need to do, right? There are 5 things that you need to do. Make sure that you are doing every time you are dealing with a woman. Okay, so I'm gonna start, and these have no least top five. It's not like a top 5 thing least. You have to do all these things all the time. Okay, so there is no one that is more important than the other ones, right? So here's the thing. Firstly, I will say this: when you are dealing with a woman, make sure that you are always setting your boundaries with her. Make sure that she knows that you are a man of principle. Okay? So if you're dealing with a woman and she realizes at any moment that you have no principles or you have no boundaries, she is going to continuously disrespect you. And she's eventually going to lose attraction for you and she's going to move on. Okay? So here's the thing. Here's what I'm telling you, right? How do you set your boundaries with women? Just figure out what are things that you don't like people to do when they interact with you. That only you can figure that out, right? And then once you found that out, then when you are interacting with a woman, when she does one of these things, right, you let her know the first time she does it, it's not, okay, I'm gonna let it slide this time. I'm not gonna, no, no, no. She does it one time, you let her know at that very moment, look, don't do that. I don't like that, right? You don't have to complain, you don't have to nag her about it, but you just make a statement, letting her know that what she has just done doesn't align with what you are as a person, and you're not going to stand for that, right? Here's the thing: is a woman going to stop doing it because you told her not to? Of course not. She's a woman, right? So a woman will always try and test you. She's going to try and say, oh, okay, so you said I shouldn't do that. All right, cool. She is going to try to test you and see what kind of man you are, right? So she's going to definitely do it again. Here's the thing: the fact that you said that it annoyed you is the one reason why she's going to do it again. Okay? So here's the thing: once she does it again, you show her what the consequences are, right? You don't like be vulgar or anything. You take away the one thing that all women crave, and that is attention. You take your attention away from her. You take your time away from her. Okay? You take your time away from her until she realizes that, oh, you know what? Actually, this man is serious about his principles and his boundaries. I shouldn't do that again. Okay? That's one. The next one is never beg a woman to change her mind after she's made up her mind. I see this a lot from my clients that come up to me. They book me for a session and they ask me, "Oh, so my longtime girlfriend, we've been together for 5 years, and she broke up with me, and I begged her to come back with me, but she said no." I'm like, okay, first of all, you never beg a woman. Once she's made up her mind, do not beg a woman, because here's the thing: every time you beg a woman for something, every time you beg her to change her mind on something that she's done or a decision that she's made, once you start begging, you come off as desperate. And desperate men are not respected. Keep that in mind, okay? If she's made a decision, let her go with it. She has to change her mind on her own accord. You just have to move on with your life. Okay, you are not going to be here trying to change somebody else's mind. No, that is not what you're going to do. If she's not going along with your programming, find another woman that will. Okay, you're not begging anybody to change their mind. You're not desperate. Desperate men do not get respect. Okay, the third thing is never be emotionally or mentally weak around women. Okay, like I said, women will always test you. If she can if she detects a hint of emotional or mental weakness, you're always complaining, you're always negative, you don't have goal, you're not driven, you're always emotionally hurt, you're always sulking on the corner. You know what I'm saying? You're passive aggressive. This is not what a high value man looks like. This is not what an alpha man looks like. right? You will lose respect when you do things like this. Once you show that you are emotionally and mentally weak around women, they will lose respect for you. The fourth thing is never be jealous around women. Never be jealous around women. I always quote Jay-Z. Jealousy is a female trait. So once she sees that you're always jealous, she will equate you to being very feminine and she will lose respect for you. Okay? Oh, but Albert, she's here talking with another guy. Oh, she's talking about another guy that she's dating. Yeah, look, that has nothing to do with you. Okay, remember this. She's not yours, it's just your turn. So if she's talking to another guy, of course she's talking to another guy. She has a lot of orbiters, right? You just have to be focused on yourself. Go have multiple girls in your rotation. Let her do what she needs to do, right? That is none of your problem. If she wants to stay, then great, she stays. If she wants to leave, let her leave. You know, you need to be more focused on what you need to do with your life and make a difference in this world. Follow your dreams, your purpose, right? That should be what motivates you. That's what should get you up in the morning, not being jealous over a woman that is not going to probably be around in the next 2 to 3 years, being jealous about what she's doing with another guy. Let her do with whoever she wants to do, right? Whoever she wants to go date, let her go date, right? Just go move on to another woman. Have multiple women, right? But just make sure that you are focusing on your dream. Jealousy will not help you in any way. And lastly, if you want women to respect you, do not let them waste your time. Never let a woman waste your time. Because once she sees that your time is not valuable, she's going to lose respect for you. And how can you show that your time is not valuable? When you're always available. When you are there trying to talk to her for like hours on end. When you are always available to meet up. Oh, can you meet up tonight? Look, you should always be doing things, right? So you shouldn't always be like, oh, whenever you want to hang out this week, I'm free. I'm free from Monday to Sunday. I'm open at whatever time you want to hang out, right? And that is just one example. Just figure out, make sure that she does not see that, you know what, this guy's time is just, I can do with whatever it is that I want to do, right? And how you would know that she doesn't value your time is when she starts to tell you things like, I'm busy, I'll let you know, can I let you know the day of? Can I let you know? How can somebody let you know the day of? Like, they're just saying, you have nothing going on. I'm sure you have nothing going on, but I have a lot of stuff going on. So I'm going to let you know if everything doesn't pan out, right? So be very strict with your time, right? And let her know that your time is valuable. If a woman tells you, I will let you know, tell her, look, that's fine. But if you can't let me know now, then maybe we just need to plan something else. We just need to talk about this another time, right? Because I am too busy. I can't have things open. And you just end it there. You don't have to whine. You don't have to nag her about it, You just gotta, remember, you just gotta make sure that she's not wasting your time. Guys, if you practice these 5 things consistently, women will have respect for you. Right? And will they test you? Yes, of course. They're women. They will continuously test you. But you have to make sure that if you keep these 5 things in mind, that you will be fine. Okay? So guys, that is the video for today. If you have enjoyed that video, share that video with someone that needs to hear it. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. With that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.